Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, I will show you button craft ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos. So friends, first ideas. Today we are going to make some things very simple but very beautiful button crafts art. We all have our buttons at home. Small, big, colorful or plain. Mostly we don't use them and they stay in a box. But today we will turn these simple buttons into something creative. So let's start today's video, friends. So viewers, first take a plain paper or canvas board. You can choose white or any light color. Now think about your design. You can make a flowers, a tree, a heart, or even write a name. Today I will make a button tree. So first I draw a simple tree shapes with a pencil. Just the trunk and branches. Keep it light and simple. Now take your button. Choose different color and size. This will make your designs look more interesting. Next step, start placing the buttons on the branches. Don't glue them yet. Just play them and see how it look. You can mix colors or use one color for a soft look. Take your time. There's no hurry. Now when you are happy with your design, start gluing the buttons one by one. Be careful and press them gently. Make sure they stick well. Slowly your tree start coming to life. This is the beautiful of button art. Simple things creative, some things amazing. So viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Khuda.